In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple members to Microsoft Teams in one go. If you've ever struggled with adding members one by one, you're in the right place. We'll cover a simple method to bulk add members, making your task quicker and easier. First, we need to start by signing into Microsoft Teams. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams login page. Use your credentials to log in and ensure you're accessing the correct account, a simple yet essential step to begin with. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options to explore Microsoft Teams features. For our task, we'll focus on accessing the community section. Once you're on the main Teams interface, look for the community area. It should be easily identifiable in the menu options. Go ahead and click on community. This is your primary hub for managing your team's interactions, so familiarizing yourself with it can enhance how you manage communications and memberships. Next, you want to find the option that says invite people. You should see this prominently displayed as it's one of the main actions in managing your team's settings. Click on invite people and you'll be taken to a screen where you can begin adding members. Now here's where we can really take advantage of this streamlined process. In the invitation screen, you'll see a field where you can type in emails. Here's the trick, you don't have to settle for entering them one by one. Simply type in the email addresses of everyone you want to invite, separated by commas. This approach saves a lot of time and minimizes the chances of missing someone from your team roster. Make sure all emails are typed correctly to avoid any failed invites. Once you've entered all the emails, it's time to finalize the process. Look for the invite button, which should be located right beneath the email entry field. By clicking on invite, you're sending out a batch of invitations all at once. It's that simple. All members will receive an email invitation allowing them to join your Microsoft Teams community upon accepting. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to bulk add members to Microsoft Teams. This method not only speeds up the task but also leads to fewer errors and a more streamlined workflow. Utilize this easy step-by-step guide whenever you need to enhance your team management skills, and you'll find Teams to be a much more powerful tool in your collaborative endeavors. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.